Um,
Hey guys,
so today we're going to be fishing the creek.
we were fishing the lake earlier, as you guys probably didn't see because we walked up and posted. But
Yeah.
we are fishing the creek, see if we can catch these bed bluegill and crappie and bass. I just had a bite back there before I came up here, so
I had a bite when I was coming down here, so this will probably be a bluegill fishing video, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll step the GoPro on.
fly fishing too, so you guys will see some fly fishing.
Oh yeah, we'll definitely catch some fish, so step the GoPro on, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, out here, got this little, we both got basically almost the same thing. I got like a little underspin.
I got just nothing.
He's got a just crappie jig, you know, normal. White, mine's white and chartreuse, but I'll go over here, you can go over there.
We're not eating them all the way.
Yeah, they're not. Oh, there we go. Oh.
Back.
That's a sunfish. Wait.
Yeah, look.
Okay, guys.
Our back to back, dude.
Back to back, baby. I got like the baby of that fish, literally. Look at these. Look how pretty they look in here.
I know. Sorry,
Whoa.
guys. It's just,
Okay, guys. So let's see. Where are your pliers, Reed?
They're in, left side of my bag. Yeah, I just put the bag.
Okay. I'll unhook yours first, since yours is bigger if you want.
Yeah. You can unhook it. I don't like messing with bluegill.
Just hold him over the water. Just get him over the water.
Let me hold your rod.
I got him.
He came off.
You did?
Yeah.
Yo!
God, you're my guy.
Okay, guys.
Do me.
Got my little sunfish right here. Look at this, Reed.
That thing is
My guy weighs an ounce, bro.
tiny. Alright, guys. Bye, buddy.
There he goes. Okay, so that's two fish, bro. We're not going home skunk today, baby. Yes, sir, guys. You want me to show you how to get them off?
Use your pliers, yeah?
Or yeah, you can do that, or you can just go like this. See their gill plates?
Yeah.
You can hold them. You can hold them from under the gill plate and just.
Alright.
Okay, guys.
Fish, guys.
Yeah, you can hold it like this so you don't want to get spined, or you can hold it the other way. It doesn't matter. It's not the same fish, it's a little smaller one, but he's off. Reed's getting his fly rod set up over there. I don't know if y'all can see him or not, but he's gonna definitely catch some fish with that. So we may switch GoPros for y'all can get some fly fishing content. Yeah. Oh, second one, guys. Tighten the drag up a little bit. Feels like a bigger one. Yes, sir. Okay, guys. Second fish right there. Okay, guys. We got one on the fly rod. No, come on, hurry up. Right here, guys. Oh, dang. Wait, is he even hooked in the mouth?
No, it's under up. Yeah, let's see, look. There you go.
Look right there, guys.
Nice.
I don't need the pliers.
Feisty, buddy. Nice hook.
Let me just grab him.
You just rip it, dude.
Yeah. Put you the other way if you'll spine me. These fish are slippery though.
Yeah. They're in moving water. Just rip it.
Dude, you don't know how the freaking spine.
So guys, second fish.
Right there, guys.
Hi, buddy.
Oh my god, another one? think these fish are big enough for a jitterbug?
No.
Yeah.
I didn't know so. They're definitely big enough for the popper though.
What popper?
Those small poppers I have.
Oh yeah.
Poppers. They're definitely big for that, but I don't think the jitterbug, they might be too big. No, big bluegill, yeah, definitely.
Right there, guys.
Hi, buddy.
How can you tell? Just you saw him? Oh, is that a crappie? Wait, maybe we can double up real quick. Man, I need to cast in there. That's a bigger one. What is that? That looks like a...
Bass, doesn't it?
Looks like a bass bluegill hybrid. What the heck is that?
Hybrid.
Hey, could you hold your line though, so it doesn't get all in my face?
The fly's the way to go, my guy.
Literally. They don't swallow it.
Oh, if they swallow it, it's easy to get out.
Yeah.
It's not a popper. Alright, guys.
Hey, guys.
There's fish on the fly rod.
Right there.
Hi, buddy.
Oh my gosh, bro. How many is that?
That's 5 on the fly rod.
But how many for total? 7 for you?
That is, no, 5 for me. I hooked them in the bottom, dude.
This looks like the same fish.
Literally.
You're barely hooked. Okay, guys, nice little... Don't know what that is, but...
Hybrid.
It's like a hybrid of something. Whoop. That was terrible cast. It's right next to you. Oh, wait. Oh, not terrible cast, maybe. Oh. Feels big. It is? Oh, yes, sir, dude. It's first bass of the day, guys. Oh my gosh, guys. Wow. Nice little bass right there. I'd say he's a half pound probably. Let's get their release. And he swam off. Okay. So I caught like bluegill and bass today. Yeah, let me reel this casting real quick. You can let him fight, I guess. Okay, guys. Reed has like his 8th, 9th fish. I don't even know. I'm not even counting, honestly. There, I'll get him off. Guys, look at these fish.
They're really small, and they're like kind of.
That one is pretty right there.
Yeah. These are some aggressive fish.
This is fun though.
I know. I mean, we have to do a little bit of finesse fishing.
Whoop.
Hi, buddy.
Honestly, finesse fishing isn't that bad, but it's only, it gets annoying whenever, you know, freaking casting the trees and crap. Oh, sorry. Oh, wait. Something just took us. Oh, wait, do I have one? I do. Tighten that drag up. Maybe. It's what? It's running like a bass, isn't it?
There might be another bass.
Keep it down, my guy. Oh. He's not coming up, dude.
Is it a rock?
No, it's not a rock. It's fighting. See that? What if it's a catfish? Oh my gosh. Do you see it?
What is that?
It's just a bluegill. Wait, what is that?
What the?
That's a chunky. Look at that.
What type of? Huh? Oh, we gotta get a picture of that.
Yeah.
Come on.
Dude, look how chunky he is.
I know. What is that? Dude, we gotta get a picture of that. Hold
Okay,
on.
here, get my phone. Get my phone before he spines me. Yo, guys. I don't know what this is. I'll try to lip him. Should I?
Crappie, maybe? Black crappie?
No. Here, get my phone real quick.
We're posting this with this brand.
Guys, what is that? I'll take the picture. I'll just go like this.
I've never seen a fish like that.
I haven't either. Yeah, fish brain will tell us what it is. Okay, you got the picture?
Some weird looking.
This will be the thumbnail.
Really?
Yeah, I'll make this the thumbnail.
These are fighting like this.
Guys, dude, look how chunky he is. You'll see
It
that?
looks like a black crappie.
He was fighting pretty hard. Okay. Okay, guys, so that is another big fish.
That's a black crappie, I'm pretty sure.
Nah.
If you can lift like that, and his mouth big enough,
Oh yeah, he was big enough, dude. It was fighting. Like I thought it was a catfish maybe. Yes, sir. Okay, yeah, you should probably stay over there, Ian.
Yeah.
Because they like to fly over there. I wasn't getting anything over there. Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, guys, right here. Let's get him off.
I think I really want to fly right down to Florida.
Guys, look at this. It's like a golden little bass. Little guy. Whoop. Oh, he hopped out of the water. There. Maybe we can double up here? No? Okay. Here, I'll teach you how to hook them. Huh? Yeah. You know what to do, really, right?
Yeah, basically.
Oh, shoot. Okay. I got you, fire. Just hold him by. You can just hold him under. Under's easier, like under here. Like that. See these little gill plates? Just put your thumb and your pointing finger on them. I'll hold your line for you. It's fine. He won't snap. He won't spine you on the bottom. Yeah, like that. Gonna rotate it that way. Yep, right there. Just like that. Bye, buddy. Okay.
Alright,
There you
guys.
go. Oh my gosh, another one. Okay, guys. Reed has another one. You want to hook him?
Yeah,
Gotta show him the camera and I'll go back to fishing. Right there. Okay.
Good Billy.
Lily.
Good Billy.
I don't know. It's a hybrid. Look at it. Yeah? Huh? Okay. Here, let me reel in this cast. Okay. Here, no, come over here. Come over here. I don't want to waste time. Swing him over.
I think we should try that.
Yeah, I want to catch another one, dude.
At least we might find a good hook.
Literally. That's at you, bro.
Just is there any honey hole?
Mm-hmm. For when we don't catch anything. He ate that one way more. The other fish ate it. Right there, guys.
Alright, guys.
Oh, he came off.
Alright, guys. This is the end of our video. The GoPro shut off and died, so,
He
yeah,
caught 2 fish after the GoPro died, and then I didn't catch any after that, but I caught like 5. He caught like, I don't know, double
15.
digits, but
like 15.
that's a good video for today.
Yeah, so, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends about us. We're posting on Fish Brain, and see you guys in the next one.
Bye, y'all.